So here we have the Drivebelt tensioner is just behind this, and this is the tensioner pulley, and if you see over there, and that is the idler pulley. So we have that is the air conditioning compressor, and higher over there that the alternator, and here we have the water pump, and this is a crankshaft pulley. So first we're going to remove the drive belt by turn this clockwise. To remove the belt, we use a 16mm socket with ratchet, and we're going to turn this clockwise to release the tension, and then we can remove the belt. We also use an Allen key here, so when we turn, we're going to push the Allen key in. There's the hole to lock the idler, to lock the idler, so that at the locked position it's easier for us to remove the belt and install the belt at the locked position. We're going to lock the idler. So now you can see we have the Allen key at the locked position. We lock the idler so that the belt very loose. We can move the belt very easily. So now we can remove the belt. The tensioner pulley, rotating is okay, so it can rotate, it's alright, but there's a play. If you shake it that way, can you hear it? So there's some play. And that is an idler pulley. There's some noise, but at the moment, if you shake it, there's no play at all. So we're going to remove this pulley. So here the pulley removed. So this is the bolt, 16mm, and there's a big washer protector, and there's the small washer here in this sequence. And here is the old pulley. You can see if you shake it a little bit, you can hear play. So this is our new pulley. If you shake it, nothing. Silence. I didn't find any torque settings, so I just torque it to 25 Newton meters. That's it. Now new pulley installed. So you can see when you rotate it, silence, no noise. And if you try to shake it, no play. So this is the new one. Good. We're going to put the belt on and try to start the engine. To unlock the idler, we're going to turn this 60mm bolts clockwise and remove that Allen key and release this to the normal position to have the belt tensioned. Now I have released the tension of the belt. When I try to release the tension from this bolt, I found the tensioner is more than 25 Newton meters. When I try to turn it to release the tension, and the bolt actually turned again after I torque it to 25 Newton meters. So if you fit this bolt, it doesn't matter whether you use a torque wrench. Maybe just try to release the tension, and that with the tensioner, that would be tight enough for this bolt. Before starting the engine, check again the belt seated very well. on every pulley, idler, tensioner pulley, before you start the engine.